In this video, let's understand the difference between work and power. Work is defined as the process of energy transfer to the motion of an object through the application of force, whereas power is defined as the amount of energy transferred in a unit time. Work is a scalar quantity, whereas power is also a scalar quantity. The SI unit of work is joule, whereas the SI unit of power is watt. The equation to calculate work is equal to force into displacement. The equation to calculate power is equal to work divided by time. Work can also be measured in units like electron volt, kilowatt hour, megawatt hour and gigawatt hour, whereas energy is measured in units like kilowatt, megawatt and gigawatt.